Today, I'm on Halletts Road and I have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this beautifully presented, extended, detached family home. Constructed by well-regarded developer Charles Church, this home benefits from a southeasterly facing rear garden, garage and driveway parking, and is conveniently located within walking distance to both the local primary and secondary school. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. If you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely home, or maybe a valuation on your own property, then please do get in touch.